morning. Myself Devi Parvathi. I am working as the assistant professor in Marri Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to discuss about the PHP in web technology subject. First, let's see what is the objective of the PHP. The PHP objective is to introduce PHP language for server-side scripting language. What is the scope of that PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. PHP is widely used free and efficient alternative to competitors such as Microsoft ASP. So nowadays we are using internet. In that internet we are using so many web pages. So we are creating web pages using different languages. In that one, PHP is the main language to creating that web pages. So the definition of that PHP is a server-side scripting language and powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. Dynamic web pages means the web pages can be changed automatically. What is PHP? PHP full form is Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use. What is a PHP file? The PHP files can contain either text files, HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript, and a PHP code. PHP code are executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP files have extension .php. What PHP can do? PHP can generate dynamic page content and PHP can create, open, read, write, delete and close files on the server. PHP can collect form data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can be used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. That means PHP can send data insecurely. Why PHP? PHP runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. That means PHP can be run in any platform. You can be used either Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. And PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today. That means you can be used Apache, IIS, etc. Any server you can be used to run that PHP. PHP supports a wide range of databases. Any database can be support in that PHP. PHP is free. You can be download PHP free. That means there is no cost to download PHP. You can be download PHP using www.php.net. This website you can be used to download PHP. PHP is easy to learn and runs efficiently on the server side. Next, PHP syntax. A PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. In that HTML document, you can be placed PHP code in anywhere in that HTML document. A PHP script starts with Angular base, PHP and ends with Angular base. So this is the syntax of that PHP. Angular base, PHP. Here you can be place the code and here and close and Angular base. The default file extension for PHP files is .php. You can be save the PHP file with .php extension. A PHP file normally contains HTML tags and some PHP scripting code. So let us see that example simple example, okay, to print that hello world. Here, this is the example of that PHP. First, you should write HTML, then HTML tag, after that body tag. In that one, H1 tag. H1 tag is used for that header. It is used to print that header. So that my header is my first PHP page. Then in that one, you can be placed that PHP code. Angular base question mark PHP. In that echo hello world. Echo is used for to print the statement. That means it is used to give the output. So in that echo, in double quotes, you should write hello world. That means it is a string. Hello world is a string. You can be write in that echo. And close that PHP with question mark and angular basis. Then close the body and close the HTML. And you can get the result of this program. My first PHP page, this is the heading, and hello world is that statement. Next, comments in PHP. So there are several comments you are using PHP. A comment in PHP code is a line that is not read or executed as part of the program. Comments can be used to let others understand what you are doing and remind yourself of what you did, what you wrote in that code, and that can be reminds you. The comments can be reminds you. After that, when you can close that program, after that you can be open what you wrote, then you can be understand easily using these comments. Most programmers have experienced coming back to their own work as a year or 2 years later and having to refigure out what they did. Comments can remind you of what you are thinking when you wrote the code. PHP supports several ways of commenting. In this one, mainly we are using single line comment and also multiple lines comment. The single line comment can be used in the double slash and also hash symbol. And multiple lines can be used hashtag symbol and hashtag hash. You can be use double hash for that single line comment. Let us see that example. HTML. First open that HTML, then body, open body, and Angular base question mark PHP, open PHP. In that one, you can be write that single line comment, either multiple line comments. Then $x equals to 5 plus 15 plus 5. Then here you can declare that variable x. You can give that, you can assign the values 5 plus 15 plus 5. Echo $x and close that PHP page, close the body and close the HTML. So here the result is, you get the results 10. For this statement, you can get the results 10. Thank you.